I wholeheartedly embrace the inherent power of my mind and its extraordinary capability to recognize the wondrous essence of my body. My heart overflows with gratitude for the precious gift of life. With the unwavering strength of my mind, I confidently declare my ability to nurture and restore myself. Each moment becomes a canvas upon which my thoughts shape the direction I take. I derive immense empowerment from the mindful choices made by my mind. Intentionally, I select thoughts that elevate my spirits and evoke profound joy within. My profound love and heartfelt appreciation extend to the remarkable depths of my beautiful mind. I have an immense love for my heart, which warmly carries joy throughout my entire body, nourishing every cell. Within me, new ideas filled with joy flow freely. I am an embodiment of the joy of life, both expressing and receiving it. I consciously select thoughts that continuously create a state of joy in my present moment. I feel safe and alive at every stage of my life. Love radiates from me in all directions, and my entire existence is filled with joy. I extend my love to my heart, recognizing its beauty and appreciating it endlessly.